matchup for sure. And then, nakawala underneath si RR Pugoy. Hits the deck but gets up quickly because he needs to run back on defense. Nagmamadali si
That kind of a shot. Great fake. You get into the spot that's so easy.
Ayun ganyan. Narinig yung pito, Doc.
Yeah,
Pinitsa na lang. Oh, tapos bounced in for Chris Newsom. 3-point play, 4 years older, you can call the other guy a kid.
Yeah.
Boy had to take it, and he puts it in at the 24-second buzzer. Good shot from outside from JBR.
We're seeing a lot of those.
Moftana will try to take advantage. Kicks it. Pugoy will receive, take it, and put it in. Just right before the buzzer.
Ang laking bagay nun.
Yeah.
Laking bagay.
19-14. Pabor. Samira. Moftana steps back. Oh. That was sweet from Calvin Moftana.
Yung dinaan ng Chacha eh. Baksak yung defensive player.
Boy,
Nagulak.
lost his footing. Rain ng batak, so this is going to be an easy one for Chris Banquero.
What a terrible turnover.
Yeah.
Terrible turnover. You know, ang Batak hasn't given them anything.
Pasok sa depensa ni Quinto. Gives it up to Williams. He'll try again. This is off. Oh, I was going to say it's off target. No, it's right on target on the glass from where we're sitting. Second three.
Yeah, and biglang taplan.
Bolik and Torres happen. Here's a shot from Moftana. Rainbow triple.
Yung 30 second na yun is worth all the while na tinawag mo yung now the other team will use their 30-second shot.
Yung ngiti ni assistant coach Yuri. Newsom. Jumper from the side. He likes it from there.
Favorite shot. Favorite shot.
He won a championship for them with that type of shot. Crammed it back in. The fake on the 4. The 3 is up and in for Bong Quinto.
Yan ang dilig ka.
Varilla and Almazan.
Both of them are probably gonna
Pugoy the fake and then the drive. Kick out to Ray. Ray brings it into the paint, hoists it up and puts it in. Nice shot from Ray Nambata.
4 points in the ball, then the other 2 coming from free throw shots.
It is down to 6, just 3 minutes. Nagmamadali si Chris, he'll pull up from 3. Basket! Chris! Clutch! Newsom!
And they would check it if it's left in kind. Alam mo nagkamali doon, si Oruela. Sumama pa siya doon.
Could have used that basket instead. The Batak the other way. Grabs the 2.
He has woken up there at the end of the third quarter and now proceeding here to the fourth.
Double digits na nga siya, Doc, with 11 points. He'll go underneath. Outside to RR, his best recipient. Favorite niya yan. That's a 3 from RR Pugoy. Lead is up to 6. And with as close as it's been, Newsom to the corner. Quinto 3. That rolls out. Hodge keeps it alive. Goes up strong. Basket is good. 3-point play opportunity.
Nasaktan na si, hindi na nakababa. It became a 5-on-4 situation.
Kaya si Nambata to Pugoy, why not, right? He's been hitting everything. He'll take it. Oh! Doc! Wala na eh. Wala na talaga.
The Newsom says, he hit me to get that shot off, but he made it, so Newsom is not.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro tapos